Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Diwali. So today we'll be making kurma. My aunt is over here to show us how to make it. It's my first time making kurma. These are just some of the ingredients here and I'll show you all some more. Freshly grated ginger. Okay, so we have the cardamom here and it was roasted and ground. Smells really good. Here we have cinnamon. Okay, so we just threw in the flour. That was the cinnamon and the elychee. Next up is the sugar. So we add in cool butter into the mix and she would have just cubed it. Okay, so we're rubbing it in until it looks like breadcrumbs. This kind of looks fun. I should have probably be doing it. The butter is being incorporated into the mixture. Okay, so this is what it should look like after rubbing in the butter. Nice. This is water mixed with milk and ice blocks. So we need this mixture to be cooled so that we could add it in here and the butter could be cooled. Okay, so we're making a hole in the middle and we just add in this mixture in. Okay, so we're just transferring it over into this bowl when you get a good consistency. Mixing, and then we bring it across here. And then we just continue doing that until it's finished. Okay, so this is all of it together. And you just need a nut. You need to check a piece to make sure it's not sticky. Looks good. Now separate it into 3 pieces. Chicken for a nice golden brown color. How's it? Nah, where is it? Okay, so we just add the water. Now we add in ginger, and we are also adding sugar. 2 sticks of cinnamon.
No. How much you put these over?
Don't let it burn ginger. Next up, cinnamon. Some more cooking. And then we have the mixture for the pag here.
You notice the stickiness now that it's being preheated?
Yeah.
It's going to crystallize in a few minutes, so don't crystallize it in the grease now.
What about the extra pag?
I just did too much. I should have done the 1 by 2.
Why don't we just add it?
Don't take too.